Welcome to another video by WeManCool1. So today I'm going to be reviewing a microphone we recently purchased for our second channel called Cactus Hors Production. This is a channel we're going to upload short films to. Now they will be in French as I live in France. We're a group of 5 students, so if you're interested I'll put a link somewhere here, wherever. Anyway, so the microphone is the Neewer 14.37 inch microphone of Amazon. So it's a Chinese microphone, one of the cheapest ones you can get with a reasonable sound quality. Paid €27 for it on French Amazon, and it's slightly cheaper if you live in America. I don't know the UK price, but it's about the same. So, well, I'm using it right now, so you can get an idea of the sound quality. I'll probably remove some of the background noise in all the city, because it has a slight hiss to it. I'll stop talking now, and so you can hear what it's like. So that's the background hiss. So keep in mind that my computer is also running about, well, less than a meter away from the microphone. So this is what it looks like, and without the wind filter. Now you may have noticed that there's no branding on this one, so I'm not sure if it's a real Neewer microphone. It is supplied by Neewer on Amazon, so it should be the real thing. They probably are all the same anyway, wherever you buy them, and some of them just have different brands on. So, not really going to worry about the fact that it's missing the Neewer branding. But anyway, there's not much to say. In the box it came with a couple of mounts, a camera mount and a boom pole mount. There was of course the microphone, the wind shield thingy, and a very long cable which I have over here somewhere. Yeah, here's the cable. So XLR on one end, jack on the other. There's a converter from large jack to standard 3.5 that comes with it. So yeah, I'm using a different cable we bought off Amazon, a higher quality cable, as this one you can expect to be cheap, as the microphone's only about €30, to try and get the best sound quality possible. So the microphone has 2 modes on it, tele mode and normal mode. Tele mode seems to be just an amplified version of normal mode. I don't know for sure, but that's what it sounds like. I'll switch it to tele just now so you can hear. So that is tele mode. I'm probably saturating the sound a bit now due to it being amplified, and also there's a lot more background noise. I probably won't remove the noise for this portion of the video so you can hear again what it's like. I'll stop talking for a minute. As you can hear, that's what the noise is like in tele mode. I'll switch back to normal mode. So it's supposed to be a directional microphone. It does appear to be directional, but it does not work from far distances. So you hear, if I turn it on its side, you won't hear me very well at all. You can hear now that I'm not very audible. So it's definitely directional, but if I put it backwards towards the camera, you will not hear me very loudly at all without amplification. As you can hear now, you can hardly hear me, if you can hear me at all. That's normal mode, and I'll switch it to tele mode. So back in tele mode, you can hear me, but the sound, well, sounds like I'm very far away, when in reality I'm only about 40-50 centimeters away from the microphone. So unfortunately the microphone will not be that much use for filmmaking as we intended, but it can be used for dubbing voices. over footage, and well, for anything else really with close-up applications like this. We have access to some other microphones that we can use, so it's not a big problem for us. But keep in mind, if you're buying this microphone for filmmaking, it's not really the appropriate thing to buy, and I'm not sure if in the price range of around €30 you'll get anything appropriate for filmmaking. You might be better off just using the internal camera microphone. I'll probably have a portion of this video where you can hear just the camera microphone. I'll do that now actually. So now you're hearing the internal camera microphone. Not much more to say really. You can compare the two. This one, in my opinion, has a richer sound, which, well, you would hope for, seeing as it's a directional microphone and it's right next to my mouth, so yeah. So hopefully this gave you an idea of the sound quality of this microphone. Would I recommend it? Yes, no, yes, probably yes, because it's a reasonable microphone for close-up applications like this, but not for filmmaking. And also keep in mind that you will need to correct the background noise with Audacity, most likely, because there's definitely a background hiss, unless you're in a reasonably noisy environment, in which case you probably won't notice it. So, well, hopefully this was useful, and see you in an upcoming video. Bye.